Wales is a beautiful place with stunning countryside and vibrant cities. But not everyone has the same opportunities to live, thrive and prosper as members of their community. Socio-economic disadvantage affects many people in Wales. It might mean you come from a deprived area, have low savings or income, or can't afford basic resources and services. It means people in the same community don't have the same quality of life. In recent years, the Welsh Government has been committed to building a more equal Wales for future generations, but more still needs to be done. That's why the next step for Wales is underway, a new socio-economic duty to help us make changes and move forward. Too many people in Wales are suffering poorer outcomes due to socio-economic disadvantage, meaning for some, the road to a long, healthy and successful life is much harder. This inequality leads to different outcomes, like people being unable to achieve the same standards in education, restricting their access to higher paid work. Not everyone has access to services or opportunities that can support good well-being or help people feel included and safe within their community. We should all be able to reach our full potential. The duty will help build a road to a fairer Wales and improve outcomes for people with socio-economic disadvantage. The best decisions for those with socio-economic disadvantage might not be the most obvious ones. Public bodies make important decisions like deciding priorities and developing services. The duty will require them to understand the full impact of their decisions, such as how a decision may reduce or increase inequalities experienced by the people and communities who use their services. Bodies can only reduce inequalities by understanding how their decisions affect communities. Decision-makers like board and committee members will need to be completely satisfied that the full effects have been considered before taking a decision further. Bodies will need to examine data and evidence, but one of the best ways to understand the impacts of a decision is by talking to people. The voice of people is crucial, and the bodies under the duty should engage and listen to what they say. Open and honest decision-making is key for a more equal Wales and a fairer society. Wales is for everyone, and the socio-economic duty will put equality at the heart of decision-making, reducing socio-economic disadvantage and allowing us to move towards reconstruction of a fairer and more prosperous Wales. Visit gov.wales/moreequalwales to find out more.